Most people think becoming wealthy is about luck, intelligence, or having a high-paying job. But the real reason most people never become wealthy is much simpler and much harder to accept. Every day, millions of people trade their time for money. They work hard, get paid, spend most of it, and repeat the cycle for decades. But wealthy people do something different. They make their money work for them. Here's the first mistake: lifestyle inflation. The moment income goes up, spending goes up too. Bigger house, new car, more subscriptions, more debt. The paycheck grows, but wealth doesn't. The second mistake is waiting. People say they'll start investing next year, after the next raise, or when they have more money. But time is the most powerful wealth-building tool. Even small investments can grow into significant amounts through compound growth. The third mistake is focusing only on earning instead of owning. Wealthy people buy assets, stocks, businesses, real estate, and investments. Investments that can generate income even while they sleep. And the biggest mistake of all, believing wealth is only for other people. That mindset alone stops more dreams than a lack of money ever could. The truth is that wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through consistent habits, smart decisions, and patience over time. Start saving, start investing, start learning. Because the difference between wealthy people and everyone else often comes down to one thing. They started before they felt ready.